Recently, lots of YouTube channels are going viral and getting monetized. Yes, small YouTube channels are going viral and getting monetized. And there's a reason why this is happening. The first one is the fact that YouTube algorithm has changed. In a separate video, I'll be telling you all about that. And the second one is the fact that a lot of persons are now depending so much on AI to get their videos out here. You don't have to stress anymore. You can just use AI to get your videos ready and out here on YouTube. And surprisingly, YouTube seems to be pushing out AI content a lot. So this is the reason why I'm doing this video. Recently in my live stream, a viewer asked a question which I consider to be very important. The viewer was like, I'm a new person on YouTube. I want to begin a YouTube channel. I don't know what niche is doing well. I don't know which of the niches I should talk about or I should go into. Can you give me suggestions? I was able to answer that question, but after the live stream, I went to my favorite app, ChatGTP, and then I went to ask for content ideas that this person can, work with. And for that, I decided to do a video, knowing that I have more viewers who might be having same struggle. You want to come on YouTube and you don't want to show your face. You are thinking of starting a YouTube channel, but you don't want to get burnt out by showing up with your face every day, sitting down at the front of the camera to film like me. You don't want to put out your face. You don't want to put your face out here. You just want to be behind the scene doing your things while making money. Happy New Month to you. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ali Vetru. And yes, this is Growing This channel. Happy New Month to you. We all made it through to the second half of the year, and I'm super excited. Let me go in and share 20 content ideas with examples that you can practice and use to get your YouTube channel grown and monetized. Let's get right into it. All right, so I asked ChatGPT. I said, can I get 20 niche ideas that are currently going viral that anyone can begin with topics? Now he said, the first one here on the list is AI tools and automation. Why is it going viral? Everyone is looking to save time and earn money using AI. The truth is, even on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, a lot of creators are now hopping on AI. We're not using AI to generate videos. Even I myself, I created this particular video here using an AI platform, and it was really easy. Like, it was easy and sweet. You can also begin a YouTube channel banking on AI apps to generate content for your channel. From the scripting to the description to the title to the thumbnail and everything, you can now bank on AI apps to get this done for you. Now, the second one I'm going to be sharing is Faceless YouTube channel. I already said it. You don't have to show your face anymore in 2025. You can just stay away. Don't show your face. Don't sit down in front of the camera. Just assume you're camera shy. You don't have to go through the stress of setting up your camera like I'm doing now and record. Now, the next one is digital products, right? You can go ahead and create videos about digital products that sell online. People want to make passive income. People want to come on YouTube and not do so much, but still earn. So you can go ahead and share how you have made sales or how you have made profits by selling digital products. Now, the number fourth one on the list is YouTube automation. Why is it going viral? People want to outsource and scale on YouTube. The fifth one is going to be self improvement and habits. Why is it going viral? Because it's timeless, it's relatable, and then it's binge worth content, right? What does this mean? It simply means that, let me assume that I'm talking about habits that I'm building currently, habits that are making me get better, right? You can create videos around those things if that's what you're dealing with currently. Self development. People want to go online and watch self development content. They want to know the habits they can imbibe or work on or work with so they can get better and then they can improve. The sixth one is side hustles. Why is it going viral? People want to earn extra income in today's economy, and it's the truth. For people that are Nigerians like me, we know how difficult it is now in our economy. Everything is expensive. Everything has tripled the price. The what we used to buy for 100 naira just last year, we cannot even buy it for 500 naira now. A lot has changed. So people want to make passive income, and then you can share about side hustles, right? So you too can also do that. What Share about side hustles that people can do that can give them money, like, and they don't have to stress so much. Nobody wants to go through stress these days. Now, moving forward, the seventh one It's how to make money online. Why is it going viral? It's always in demand with new methods emerging. People want to just know how to freelance and get money, sell a product and get money. People want to know how to make money online because sincerely, there's money online. Oh. They're not saying making the wonder, no, there's no money. There's money online, and if you have an idea or you have watched videos of people who are making money online, you can share. And that's the reason why I'm actually here on this channel. I can tell you for free that there are people on YouTube who I know, like from last year, that are now making millions on YouTube. And there's no way I won't share that information because I want people to also get the information and begin to make millions or at least making money from YouTube. The journey is not it's not easy, but it's doable, right? It's doable, and that's the reason why we are all here. The eighth one is going to be digital minimalism and decluttering. Why is it going viral? People want calm, focus, and control in a noisy world. Now, topics like declutter your phone in 10 minutes. Number two, digital minimalism changed my life. Apps you should delete right now. All these are things that you can share. See this last one. Apps you should delete right now. I remember making a video where I talked about I remember making a video I talked about I remember making a video I talked about pictures you should delete from your phone. Yes. If you go to your phone, it will tell you full memory full. But you have a lot of unnecessary pictures in your gallery. You have a lot of unnecessary things in your screenshots. Go ahead and delete those pictures. Now, those are things that you can actually share about. Number nine, we have book summaries and life lessons, right? Why is it going viral? Self-education is huge and people love quick value. Now, my friend actually wants to begin a book review channel where she gets to read books for people. She won't do that by herself. Of course, we are all going to be banking on AI now. She's going to be using an AI app to read books, and you can just go ahead play that while you're working. You can just play that, put that on play, and then you'll be able to read a book, probably chapter by chapter. Now, number 10 on the list is AI voice over stories, right? Why is it going viral? It is faceless and then it has storytelling and it's a complete gold mine. Like you just use AI voicing, right? Use AI voicing and just go ahead and create videos. Telling a story. The next one on my list is teach tech reviews and tutorials. People are constantly researching tech before buying. You want to know, okay, for instance, you want to buy a new phone, right? The truth is, you probably go online to get reviews about that phone. You actually go online to get review about the product you want to buy. You can actually do such things. Go ahead and create videos reviewing a particular product. The next on my list is educational and how to skill based, and that's what I'm really doing. That's what my channel is about. My both channels are about how to's, right? The educational channels. The first one I talk about how to make fashion accessories like this one I'm wearing here, and then another one, this one I'm talking on now is how to grow on YouTube. So YouTube can have a channel where you talk about how to grow, how to do a thing, how to channels are doing well on YouTube. The number 13 one on my list is compilation and relaxing videos. Long watch time, it gives you long watch time, it's faceless and it's monetizable. Now I came across some videos where people just play hymns, like you just play cool hymns with a very soft background. There's nothing showing. It's just probably a picture of somebody praying, and then the background is a long hymn, just plain cool. Like I'm like, really? And you go on it, you see people watching, like, hey God. Oh. Anyway, long story cut short, you can also do that compilation and relaxing videos, ASMR videos as well. For my number 14, I have AI plus business. Why is it going viral? Entrepreneurs want shortcuts and tools. Sincerely, we're tired of hard work. Oh. I am tired of hard work. If I will see an AI that will help me to do my hearing, I don't mind. So you can actually go ahead and share videos, right? Teaching entrepreneurs how to use AI tools, how to use AI tools to automate some things in their business, so you don't stress so much. Okay, for instance, um metal business app, right? You can use that to schedule your posts, and then you get to post on Instagram and on Facebook at the same time. People don't know about it. You don't even know, some people don't even know they can actually schedule their posts on Facebook. So we are stressed with coming online all the time. They're juggling from Facebook to Instagram to TikTok and all of that. If you can teach about how people can schedule their posts on their channels or on their platforms, it's a way to actually get, that's a great content idea. The 15th one is productivity hacks. Why is it going viral? Highly relatable and then it's bingeable. Now let's move on. The 16th one I say is remote work and freelancing. Why is it going viral? More people are ditching 5 to 9 to 5 jobs. Yeah, a lot of persons are now living 9 to 5 jobs. Now let me show you my friend's channel. I teach with Miss Blessing. She is a content creator. She's a teacher who teaches online, right? She doesn't go to the classroom. She teaches online, and it's flexible for her because she has like the entire morning to do anything she wants to do, and then from the evening hours, I think 3 p.m. to 8 p.m., she goes on to teach people online, and she's getting paid. Can share with people remote jobs, freelancing jobs that they can do to get passive income, and they don't have to show up in a particular office. They still have time to do other things for them. Number 17th one, let me try to rush this up. Beginner YouTube tips. Why is it going viral? New creators are joining YouTube every day. Okay, so beginning from last month till now, I can confidently say I have been able to guide 3 to 4 persons to begin their own YouTube channel. I don't know so much yet though. I'm not yet monetized, but I am able to guide people to begin their own YouTube channels. So I know that a lot of persons want to actually begin on YouTube and I don't know how to do it. So this is me guiding you and guiding every other person to begin. The 18th one, right, says motivational shorts. Why is it viral? High engagement, the short form content, and then it's shareable. Short form contents are actually a very good way to get subscribers fast. They're a very good way to get subscribers very fast. They might not give you watch hours, but they will give subscribers and they'll give you views. So if you want to, you can actually go ahead and create a video, a long form video teaching people how to create short form content. Right? I watched a video recently made by Ben Did It, yeah, and in that video he talks about how to, use a particular website to get 6 to 10 shots from your video that you can share. So you can actually teach people that kind of stuff, and they will get to, you'll be able to get views on your videos. Now the next one is trending apps and websites, right? Trending apps and websites. The last one on my table is going to be creation tutorials. People want to begin to create content for YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and the rest of them, but they don't know how to do it, right? They don't know how to go about it. You now can put that a video teaching people how to actually create content on these platforms, right? So many people want to start YouTube, TikTok, and the rest, and they don't know how to go about it. You should now, you who know how to go, you have started, right? You have begun your journey. You cannot go ahead and share with other people how to do content creation, right? All right, so if you've come to this point of this video, it simply means you were able to watch to the end, and I'm really grateful that you did. I don't take your viewership. I don't take your time spent here for granted. I'm really hoping that you'll be able to try out any of these content ideas and just, start your little journey. You never can tell which one will go viral. You never can tell which one is going to put you in the limelight. You never can tell which one is going to give you that thing you're looking for. If your purpose here is to impact, you never can tell which one is going to help you impact people. So please set up your go ahead and start up your YouTube channel and just begin to create content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm hoping to see you in my next video. If you like this content, please do well to leave a like, leave a subscribe, leave a comment. Tell me what you want to create next time, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.